it's Charlie Ann and it is springtime. I have some chocolate cupcakes and some buttercream and we're gonna make the cutest sunflowers out of them. Sunflowers are the perfect spring treat. They're bright and sunny, so make sure to check out all the recipes in the link below. All right, I'm gonna start by just coloring my buttercream yellow. And as always, start small and add more coloring. You can add it and you can't take it away. And now that I've added my yellow, I'm gonna add just a touch of brown just to dull down the neon in the yellow. I've just fitted my piping bag with a Wilton 366 tip. So I'm just gonna fill my bag with a little bit of buttercream. I'm gonna start on the outside edge of my cupcake, starting maybe a centimeter in. And as I pipe out, I'm just gonna go back and forth, coming out, loosening pressure and pulling out. I'm gonna do it again, starting, going back and forth, stopping pressure and pulling out. Doing this all the way around. Now that I have the first row done, I'm just gonna go back and do one more. And then in the very center, I just have some mini chocolate chips and I'm gonna pour just a little bit right in the middle for a cute sunflower. So again, I'm gonna start just a little bit in, going back and forth and pulling out, going back and forth, pulling out, going back and forth, pulling out, all the way around. Do we want to turn some music on or something? There you go, we have our springtime chocolate cupcakes that are decorated like sunflowers. Subscribe and ring that bell and come back next time.